What's going on, guys? Talmonkoken here, bringing you a guide on how to unlock the super online secret RAR file located in your Amnesia folder. So for those who don't know what it is, as I said, it's a RAR file located in the Amnesia folder with a password protection. Um, so yeah, I'll just go and locate my folder here, Amnesia. Go into the Redist folder, scroll down and find the super online secret.rar. So I'm gonna go ahead and double click it, and here you see enter password. So I have the password right here, and I will put in the description box as well. So supposedly you're supposed to be able to find this password in the game. I didn't, so I found it on the internet. Put in the password, press OK. So here you can see the folder. So I'll just go ahead and move it to my desktop. Now it's done. Go into here and you can see 4 different folders named art, design, engine and video. So in the art there are some creatures and characters, environments and miscellaneous. So here you can see some different photos of monsters in the game and monsters who wasn't put in the game. Some different environments from the game in these little posters. In the design you can see some little maps, some sound files from Herbert's Lost Diary. In the engine you can find little notes made by the creators. And in the video you can find some development videos on different areas of the game. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Talboken out. Bye.